Remember when security meant putting a couple of extra locks on a door? Nowadays, security takes on a whole different meaning. Think of the security measures you take today. You shred documents, you install anti-spyware on your PC, not to mention the logins, PIN codes, and passwords you have for, well, just about everything you do. As if all of that weren't enough, there's your office copier. Did you know that almost every copier made since the mid-90s has a hard drive built right into it? So every image that passes through it gets stored there, just like a computer. Think of how much valuable data passes through your office copier each day. Personnel files, customers' financial statements, patient records, or client data. Important, sensitive legal documents. Scary, right? Well, Sharp Data Security works to help prevent unauthorized access and protect your valuable digital assets. Firstly, Sharp's optional data security kit encrypts the image data and then overwrites that data up to 7 times after the job is complete. But then Sharp Security goes beyond data to multi-level security, including standard access control, or the optional access and fact security, just to name a few. IP filtering filters out unfamiliar IP addresses, helping to protect printing to the machine. User authentication enables you to build lists of users that are authorized to use various functions of the machine. Flexible for individual users or simply create group parameters. Password printing ensures sensitive documents won't print until you enter a password, to assist in preventing anyone else from accessing your prints before you take them from the output tray. When you adopt Sharp's comprehensive approach to high-level security, you're putting your trust in the copier security expert. In fact, Sharp was the first office equipment security solution with encryption and overwrite capability, validated by the Common Criteria program. Taking action now can help prevent risks in the future, such as loss of productivity, stolen information, lawsuits, and possible violation of mandates, such as HIPAA, Sarbanes-Oxley, and the Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act. Protect your business. Secure your assets. Work without limits. The Sharp way. If this sounds like something your company can benefit from, then why not take the time to learn more from your local Sharp dealer? A small investment in time may result in big returns for your business.